masters of the land and sea. No other group of animals could venture so high in the air. Nest in all and masses, and dive such great depths below the water. Images of birds and flies soaring through the sky signifies freedom and hope. But flying is not the only skill they know. So join us today as we show you lots about truly amazing and intelligent these birds are.
Sapa? Dagat ay.
Dagat lang, yun ang dagat.
Abaw.
Alright, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start the show by welcoming our flag racing bird, Bandit. Now, Bandit right there is our red and green macaw, also known as the green-winged macaw. Now, macaws are widespread in woodlands and forests of northern and central South America. And there you go, folks. Our show is officially started. Let's give a round of applause for our flag racing bird, Bandit. Hello everyone, good afternoon and welcome to Cebu Parks Amphitheater. I'm Christy, your host for today's show. Now our next featured birds are just like any best friends. And sometimes we know that best friends can be competitive, right? So now let's meet Blue and Azul. And today we're gonna battling over who's the best in a basketball game. Now the trainer cap is Blue and the trainer Jessie is Azul. But before I start our friendly battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now all the boys will cheer for Blue. Now the boys say no Blue, no Blue. And all the girls will cheer for Azul. Come on girls, say no Azul, no Azul. Now guys, are you ready for the basketball game?
Hey!
I put out some energy, so when are you guys ready?
Yay!
Alright, now we're ready. Trainers ready. Set. Go! Let's go Blues to the zone now first. Ball by Blue on the middle. On the ball, ball for Blue on the middle. And that's ball for Blue. Blue wins the basketball game. It's alright as well. Now trainer Jessie, you lost this game. What can you say?
Winner Cat, we want another race.
Oh, then you want another race. Are you sure about that? You want Azul to lose again?
Palit ang mama.
My God.
I'm pretty sure Azul guy will win.
Really confident. Now, trainer, what game do you have in mind?
Let's do our race. Typically in this game, the first bird can drop 3 rings. And the one the fastest is the winner. And that's the race.
Now, a ring race it shall be. And remember, girls, the team blue and the boys that were already 1 point. Now, cheer louder for Azul this time to win. Now, guys, are you ready for the second game? Alright, now birds ready. Trainers ready. Set. Go! Let's go, birds! Now, first ring by looking up Azul. Another right twist!
Giharos tanan. Giharos tanan, gidungan.
Trainer Ganda. Did you see that? 3 rings. What can you say?
Hey, was that trainer Jesse? You guys cheated.
Oh, did you guys really cheat?
Girls, did we cheat? We didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
That is right. How about a round of applause for Blue and Azul? Now this time I need an adult volunteer with a money bill. Again, I need one adult volunteer with a money bill. Any amount will do 20, 50, 100. O ikaw ma'am, just bring a paper bill with you ma'am. Magdala o kwarta ma'am. And as I've noticed in our emergency departments and that's because they're highly intelligent, charismatic, and musically inclined. Hi ma'am, join me here please. And then I have your paper bill. Thank you. Now I want you to sit right there. Face me. And raise your left hand sideways like this. Now insert the one right here, and no matter what happens, squeeze it up over, swing your arm. Now ready na ma'am? Alright, now let's call it our Hunger Blue. Now blue there, give it back with your money, favorite now. Now blue flies over and gets the money. What's next, blue? Now blue flies back to the table and guess what, man? Blue wants to. There you go, donate your money.
Gara.
Slippers, before you go.
Patay, sayang nga sa 100. Ikaw na ba siya? Patay, sayang nga sa 100.
Torba. So our feelings. Since it's okay now, let's do a second round. A higher bill this time, 500 pesos. You will fly up there. For 500 pesos. Kailan kailangan mo dyan na? 100 dapat. Gusto natin 100. Well, that's all. It's all part of the show. You return your money, but first, Blue wants to take a picture with you for souvenir. So let's just go right there and follow our trainer's instructions. Now give us your best smile and pose together with your money. Here's your money back, ma'am. It's all part of the show. Before you go back to your seat, follow Cloudford. We'll give you a free printed copy of your picture. How about a round of applause for a volunteer and their money Blue? So this time, I'm going to show you our parents here in Symposium Park. Now here we have three kinds. We have our green winged macaw bandit, our blue and gold macaw Goldie, and our blue king parrot named Yoshi. So you're going to have a close encounter with our lovely birds. And if our birds and trainers will go near you, please do not touch or try to reach the feathers of our birds, as they're easily frightened and they could bite. Once again, please do not touch or try to grab the feathers of our birds, okay? Kay mama na sila. Alright, now let's call in Bandit, Goldie, and Yoshi. Now, trainer Jesse right there is Bandit, trainer Vince is Goldie, and trainer Kat is Yoshi. Alright, let's start there on your right. Is our green winged macaw bandit. Now that bird is covered with mostly red plumage. Now his scales and his feathers are colored green and blue. Now he's taken white daisy striped with small red feathers. And bandit's scientific name is Arachnaraptorus. Now bandit, say hi to everyone. Say hi. To the other side of let's say hello. High five. Alright, up next we trainer Vince. we have four. Now we have our silver crested Kakadu Tweety, our umbrella Kakadu Nigel, our Lunan Kakadu Snow, and our dolphin Kakadu Fergus. So once again, you're gonna have a close encounter with our lovely birds. And just a friendly reminder that if our birds and trainers will go near you, please do not touch or try to grab and Fergus. Here with me is Tweety, with trainer Jesse's Fergus, with trainer Kathy's Love, and with trainer Vince's Nigel. Alright, let's start here. With me is our silver crested Kakadu Tweety. Now these birds are having along the edges of tropical and subtropical rainforests. They're primarily white with black beak and a distinctive silver yellow crest. So this is what we call the crest. Now Tweety's name is Kakapua Galilita. Up next, which you Vince right there on your right is, on your left is our umbrella Kakadu Nigel. Now that bird is also known as the great white crested Kakadu. Now we can distinguish along the white Kakadus, and that is because of its woolly white crest that races like an umbrella. Kung saan ang mayong crested Nigel, pwede siya umbrella, and that's why they're called the umbrella Kakadu. So if you were to compare Nigel and Tweety,
Oh, makuha pa doon yan.
Tweety has a yellow crest. Meanwhile, Nigel over there has a pure white crest. Up next, we trainer Kathy's our Lunan Kakadu Snow. Now that bird is dedicated to her archipelago, makes her Indonesia. She's as bright as the largest among the white Kakadu. And she's also known as the salmon Kakadu, and that is because of its pinkish white colored feathers. Asian of their host. Now whether they're happy, frightened, or in waiting. As we observe that these birds are very loud. Now these are the types of birds that can talk and mimic any sound. And that is what we call the mimicry behavior. Now for their lifespan, Tweety, Nigel, and Fergus can live up to 30 to 40 years. Meanwhile, Snow out there can live up to 60 to 70 years. And that is it for our cocktails here in Cebu. Now we have Tweety, Fergus, Nigel, and Snow.